Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Rocky Grenade. So, for years I've been using Reddit, and one thing that I've never quite figured out was how to download multiple saved Reddit posts. So, I would be having many posts pile up in my saved lists for let's say over years. Okay, so that comes to like hundreds or thousands of posts. So, um, I came across a solution, and it was in written form, but I thought I'd make a video about it. So here it is. So what you need to do is you need to go to redditmanager.com. So just search in redditmanager.com, and you'll need JDownloader, which is a download manager. So right now I'm using this. I'm using Linux, as you can see, but JDownloader also works on Windows. It's JDownloader is just generally a good app, like software to have, because it can have some other uses as well. So if you're on Windows, you click on Windows and you download the installer. If you're on Linux, you download the installer. Kind of forget how it is, but just look up the installer instructions or whatever. So come back to Reddit Manager, and what you want to do is you want to be signed into your Reddit account, and you want to log into Reddit Manager with your Reddit account. So it will ask for permission, and just allow it. Now the thing with Reddit Manager is that sometimes it works properly and sometimes it won't. So what will happen typically is that you might have too many subreddits and too many saved posts. So in that case, this page might just not load up when you log into Reddit Manager. So what you do is, I would suggest logging in and out of your Reddit account itself, and then also logging in and out of Reddit Manager itself. And if you literally have thousands of posts, then give it some time. Give the web page some time. It will take time to load, believe me. But once it loads, so you can see it will sort everything by the subreddit. So here it's a funny, this is another subreddit. Okay. So what you do is, in order to download all of these, you come down here to this options button here, and you export all items. So it will export 7, 8, 9. So it will export all of these 9 posts, or it will export them as per the sub. So if I do export all items, it will export in HTML format. Now once this is exported in HTML format, just save it in your downloads, for example. And what this will do is, if I open this, it will open up those posts with links, with hyperlinks to those. So if I click on this, say the first one, it will take me to this post that's saved. You can see it's one of my saved posts. If I go back and I click on another one, okay, so it's just straight up open the image instead of opening the post, but you get the idea. So everything is here. So what you do is, next step involves using JDownloader. So let me open JDownloader. So this is JDownloader's UI, which can be a little overwhelming, but believe me, you only need to use 2 tabs. That is the link grabber tab and the downloads tab. So if I go into link grabber, what you want to do is, this HTML that you just exported via Reddit Manager, you want to select everything, just Control A, and just copy. Don't copy link or anything else, just copy. And say JDownloader is what JDownloader does is it will pass the clipboard. So anything you've copied, it will pass that for links and determine if anything is can be downloaded. So there are about 9 posts here, and I've opened up the link grabber tab, and by default it is already showing up. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 so yeah, it's showing up all 9 links are active and I can download them. So if you come to this pane here, you can see You can sort these links as per, whether it's an image file, a video file, audio file, document file, others, subtitles, etc. So if I click on just video file, it will only show me the video files, and in this case there's just two. And you can also, depending on the website, like depending on the source of the video, you can also have options for the video quality. So in this case, it's just been uploaded straight to Reddit. This is the origin. It will show the origin of the where this link originated from. So if it's from a external website, it may just show up. Like if it's from Facebook or something else, it might just show up. So once you've decided what links you want, just select them all and right click and start download. Progress will show up here. It's very quick. So let's go into files, and if I go into downloads, you can see everything is here. So let me just open something up. So yeah, as you can see, everything is here. And if it's a video file, just play it, as you can see. So let me just come here. So yeah, this is the same Reddit post. In order to convince you that I'm not shitting you, let me just delete all of this and I'll download it again. So this is saying it's already downloaded. Let me just delete. Let me go here. Let me just copy everything. Let me go into JDownloader. Let me paste links. So yeah, everything is again here. Download it. Start download. It's all downloaded again, as you can see. Okay, so there is one JDownloader setting you need to keep mind of, and that is if you go to the General tab, scroll down a bit, and link grabber. So under link grabber, group single files in various packages. We want to leave, what this will do is if you download multiple posts, it will create a single folder for each single post. So you don't want that. So just check mark this and start downloading. So yeah, that's really it. Like it's pretty simple, but if you have hundreds of posts, it might become a problem. But anyways, that's how you do it. And if you come back to Reddit manager to clear all the downloaded posts, you can actually just go into click on the subreddit, click on these double check marks, so it will select everything, and then if you click the dumpster icon, it will delete everything for you. So that means you don't have to bother with download. If you want to export again, you don't have to bother with downloading the same thing again. You can just go in, delete one, or you can, if you want, you can just delete everything. So yeah, it's really that simple. Just keep in mind that some Reddit posts, depending on the source, if the source link is expired or it's broken or not working, some things will not download for you. So it will show typically show up in JDownload if it's not going to download or whatever. So just keep that in mind. And that's really it. Thank you for watching.